Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ruling out basic network blockers so you can act fast. Start with a reboot of modem, router, and your PC. This clears transient faults. Once done, switch to a wired Ethernet cable to remove Wi-Fi variability and run a ping to your gateway to confirm local connectivity. Make sure Riot Vanguard and Valorant are updated and close any high-bandwidth applications, streaming, torrents, or large uploads, because they steal packets and raise latency. Next, you diagnose paths and prioritize traffic so in-game packets travel cleanly. Run Tracert and extended pings to Riot servers to locate high-latency hops. If an ISP hop is bad, document times and speeds. Then configure your router's CoS to prioritize your gaming device and enable UPnP or forward Valorant ports so connections are direct. Also change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for faster resolution, and make sure no VPN or proxy is routing your game traffic. To finish, you verify whether the problem is local or with the ISP so you can pursue the right fix. Try a mobile hotspot or spare router. If performance improves, replace or reconfigure your hardware. If not, call your ISP and provide Tracert logs and times so they can examine routing. Finally, reinstall Riot Vanguard, run system file checks, and update NIC drivers. If it still fails, ask support for packet captures. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals hidden packet loss or misrouting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.